Hi guys, this is TJ. It was okay day for me. It was good actually. I was in profit of 23K, but had to settle with 17K because I have this open position of some minus 400. So minus 500. So this is I got 17K profits today. So I was short. I shorted the market today mainly. Like so if you see here, this particular fall, this particular rise took most of my profits. Otherwise, I was in pretty good profits here. Okay, so let's go to my trades. Okay, so what happened today is the market started falling at the starting. So I went and shorted 35,500 put uh, here at 919 because the bank nifty started uh, reversing from this main point. If you see what is this point is the bank nifty reversed from this point twice uh, in last month, in this month only. So this was acting as an pure resistance, and if it is acting as resistance, you can take it as an support as well. So when bank nifty bounced back from these levels, I shorted put, and I thought like a market will go up from here. uh, I was in some profits, but I but bank nifty came back. So at 10 o'clock I closed this particular put because if you see here, it break this level. So this was the main break point for me for the day. So if anything below this point, I was shorting the bank nifty, and if it was above this level, I was uh, buying the bank nifty. So I will become bullish in this level, because if you see yesterday, so this is the main point where a bank nifty broke out, and it gave a pretty good move. So this was acting as an main support or resistance for bank nifty. So I was mainly observing these levels. So when bank nifty broke this particular level with volume, if you see, the main thing is if you have to see the volume, uh, whether it is breaking with a small volume or high volume. So if you see here, it was breaking with high volume. So if you see at 10 o'clock, this 35,500 put, I closed it with a loss of just 6 points, uh, and I quickly entered 3600 call. So I closed the put, and I quickly entered this particular call, 3600 call, and I was holding this call till 12:30. uh, so if you see this 3600 call, I closed it around 12:30 at 136. I got some 28 points in this. So if you see here at 12:30 I closed it, and I shorted one more call. I rolled to 36,000 call, which was trading around 167. So this one, okay, so that one was in pretty good profits till this time. I was holding it till 257. So I exited around this point. So when bank nifty was up, I exited somewhere around here. So if you see 36,000 call which I took at 167 at 12:25, I waited till uh, um, 257. So at 257 I exited this particular call. um, since Bank Nifty was below this level, I was expecting more downward movement, so I was holding it till this particular point. And uh, the main thing I was watching here is like the Bank Nifty was not breaking this VWAP. So it tried once at this particular point. I would have closed my call if it would have broken this VWAP with volume, but it didn't close. Again, I was in pretty good profit in this particular trade, but then so when it broke this VWAP with good volume, so at that time I closed it. Okay, so that's how I lost in that. I just lost some 6 points in that, so that's okay. You can take that small losses. So this is my discretionary trades. So uh, I will take straddles as well. So I will show my other trades. So at 9:30, this is my system trades which I take daily. uh, so this is my system trade. And then this straddle I took, 35,900 straddle at 9:35. So I bought next week long straddle as an hedge for this. So it was not a good idea to buy next week hedge. I thought like uh, it will give good profit, but this one I lost some 15 points in this, and I got 15 points in this. So there was no use of this particular trade. So I will show you what happened. Mm, okay, so this is my system trade, and these two are my uh, stop losses of my system trades. Okay, and then this is my discretionary trade, and this is the hedge which I will buy for my margin benefit. So if you see here, this is where I closed my straddle, 35,900 straddle. So as I know, like it was I didn't book any loss, or I didn't get any profit in this combined. Okay, so then once I close this one, since Bank Nifty was moving down at 10:46. Okay, so and it was trading around 35,800. So I went and shorted 35,800. uh, okay, so this one I took at 10:46. I held on to this trade till 12:30. Okay, so if you can see here, at 12:30 I closed this particular 35,800 straddle uh, with profit of some 8 points. So that's one thing. So I closed this particular straddle and I moved to 35,700 straddle since Bank Nifty moved down at 12:30. So this is the adjustment which I will do for straddles. I will move the straddle based on the mark. Yeah, so I was talking about this 35,700 straddle. So I took this one at 12:30. So I was saying like I will do adjustment to the straddle, like based on the market movements. I will move the straddle. For example, initially Bank Nifty was at 35,900. I shorted 35,900 straddle, and then it moved to 35,800. So there I shorted a 35,800 straddle. Then I finally moved to 35,700 straddle. So what I will do, whenever I short a straddle, I will keep in stop loss in the system. So if you see here, uh, 35,800 straddle, I had this stop loss in system, which was at 33 for 95 and 440. So this one is just to stop the loss when any big movement happens. Otherwise, I will manually close this one and I will move to next straddle. So for this 35,700 also, I kept stop loss same as this one. So this one gave a pretty good profit of 30 points. Uh, uh, so if you see here, this one I closed it around at the end of the day. Yeah, so here. So I shorted at 257 and 300, and I booked around 215 and 318. So if you see here, I cancelled my once I closed my positions, I cancelled my stop losses. So this is my straddle trades. So and then what I have, uh, yeah, that's it. Mainly I took my system trades uh, and straddles and discretionary trades. So straddles also gave good profit, and system trade also gave good profit. And usually discretionary trades I will take more uh, if market is trending and it is moving in a single direction. So since today the market was not moving in a single direction, it was in a range. I was dealing with the straddle. So and yeah, that's it guys. Thanks.